What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon from the Multifamily Movement, and I want to talk really quickly about the first thing renters need to do to start moving towards rent freedom and owning multifamily real estate. You know, a lot of people talk about the down payment and getting your credit right and things of that nature. Finding the property is really an important one, but the first thing a renter needs to do, they need to stop calling their apartment my apartment. It is not your apartment. You don't own it. Somebody like me owns it. So you need to get out of that mentality of my apartment, setting up shop, painting, putting in bookshelves and things of that nature. Do I like when my tenants take care of my properties? Yes, I do. But until you get out of that mindset that this is my apartment and you say, this is a temporary thing, I'm loaning it for as short of time as I possibly can because I'm actually going to move into multifamily real estate where I will be the one who is collecting rent, not the one who is paying rent, then you will be stuck for a long time. If you want to move towards rent freedom, go to multifamilymasterplan.com, and I would love to teach you on my upcoming webinar. Peace.